What's up, guys? It's the one and only Bad Oyster here, and we're back with something a little different today. We're going to be doing an unboxing for Assassin's Creed Syndicate. So let's do it. There it is, Assassin's Creed Syndicate. It's the collector's edition. I'll tilt it so you get a little bit of an extra look at the box. Not too bad. So let's not mess about. Let's get in it and see what goodies we've got. Right, so here it is. I've just taken the cover off and got a little drawer here. Let's see what's in the drawer. We've got the game with some expansion crap in it. We have, basically I'm guessing that's the soundtrack. We've got that. And then we've also got this little collector's edition book. Like loads of artworks and things like that. I think it's just all the concept art from the game. Obviously, if you really want to, you can like pause it and have a proper look. Hidden Blade. Not too bad. I always like looking at the concept art. It adds another depth to the game, I think. So that's the concept art book. And what's this? Oh, map of London. There we go. Nice, decent map of London going on there. Seems like it's made out of cardboard or something. We'll open the game in a second and I'll show you what's in there. But before I do that, I'm going to show you. There it is. That is what I paid for. There it is. There's the statue out of all its packaging. It doesn't look too bad, to be perfectly honest. There's a more up close view of the statue. The detail they go into on these, it's ridiculous. I also got the official guidebook with it as well, which isn't too bad. All I paid was $79.99, so can't argue with any of that really when you're getting top quality statue and a mint game for 80 quid. Can't argue. And then when you've opened up the game, what we seem to have inside is an advertisement for Assassin's Creed China. Nothing in that. It's just telling you can get the season pass and what comes with the season pass. Obviously additional content there. I'm not going to turn it over because I've not used the content yet. And then also we've got this. When you take the infill out of the game, you got this where it's telling you what collectibles you can buy at the Ubisoft store and what books which coincide with the game. So say you didn't want to play the game, you could just buy the book and read what happens in the game in the book. So, well, where's the fun in that? Right guys, let's just do a quick recap of everything that we got in the Assassin's Creed Syndicate Collector's Edition. You've got the map of London, the statue of Jacob, the new assassin, the concept art book, the soundtrack CD, and the most important part, the actual game. So yeah, that's it. That's exactly what we got in the Collector's Edition. Right guys, that's the end of the video, so me and Jacob just want to thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then please leave it a massive thumbs up and subscribe. If you didn't like the video, click the dislike button, let me know in the comments why you didn't like it, and I'll see you back here for the next video in a bit.